So the Racket's Second Life is a very big and nice initiative by Yonex Sunrise and the Legends Vision. I mean, it's a vision definitely for for the game to grow in India, and the rackets, people who are donating it, and of course players also can donate a lot of rackets. For the people who cannot afford it, the players who can't afford it at the grassroots level or the towns and villages, and sometimes lower middle class families, it's very difficult. The things have become very expensive nowadays. The equipments have become very expensive. So in a way, if we can promote this initiative by donating rackets, and they get to play a bit, not that they have to start it immediately at the biggest academy or anything. Maybe they can just start to play, and if they like it, schools may or colleges may, if they like it, then in the future maybe they can definitely look up to becoming a big player or a player if they really want to achieve in that field. Maybe after playing the sport, they might just feel that yes, I can be a badminton player. So I think in that way, if badminton rackets, a simple badminton racket can give that push, then it's a great thing for Indian badminton. We will find many more badminton players coming up. And me being a sports person, I really want India to see as a sporting nation. I really want India to do well in all the sports. And if I can give back to the society, if I can give back in a way that a lot of youngsters feel motivated and really want to come into badminton, it will be a great thing for me. We have it. We definitely are doing well. Of course, me and Sindhu were little more stronger and powerful players, but the upcoming generation is also very, very good, very talented. I think they will have to work a little bit more on their power play and more on the rallies, but I'm sure they will do well, because in last 1-2 years we have seen a lot of results from the youngsters. And Tanvi also recently did well in the World Junior Championships, and Lakshya also did extremely well today. He won the Australia Open. So this shows that we are on the right direction, and the Olympics is still a little far away. In the meanwhile, you have so many Super Series events to win, do well, maintain your ranking, and I'm sure girls mein thoda sa up down hai, but next 2-3 years maybe we'll have to wait and watch. This phase comes actually in every country. Even between Korea mein itne players nahi the jo acha kar rahe the, but suddenly Korea mein you are getting the champions. So it happens, but I'm sure we will come out with good results in ladies as well. Yeah.